Wild Wild West. The Wild Wild West. The Wild
Greetings, YouTube. Elaine Unleashed back at you right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel here in Rhizome 8B right here in Tifton, Georgia. And in this morning's video, YouTube, we're going to be swinging you guys along with us back out to Ginger Valley to show you guys exactly what has happened with our Pinecone Shampoo ginger in approximately the last 40 days since our last video update back on May 27th. Hang tight, YouTube. All right, YouTube, indeed, here we are on our way back around to Ginger Valley. Before I show you guys what our Pinecone Shampoo ginger is currently looking like, for any of our new recent subscribers, this is what our Pinecone Shampoo ginger looked like when we first planted it here. This is what our Pinecone Shampoo ginger looked like during our last video update. Bam! Aren't they looking good, YouTube? Most of them are about a foot high right now. We come from our last video update on our ginger here at Ginger Valley. We told you guys that these two on the end, we planted a little too deep when we originally planted them. And this, YouTube, this is indeed what our Pinecone Shampoo ginger that we're currently growing right here at Ginger Valley is currently looking like. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! Can you guys see that, YouTube? Can you guys see that? In our last video update, YouTube, we had approximately 6 Pinecone Shampoo ginger canes that had sprouted from the 6 rhizomes that we originally planted here. Now, YouTube, now we have approximately 14 Pinecone Shampoo ginger canes that have sprouted since we planted our Pinecone Shampoo ginger rhizomes here. We can't possibly be more pleased by the way at which our Pinecone Shampoo ginger is currently growing and expanding right here at Ginger Valley. We knew that our Pinecone Shampoo ginger would do well here in this partially shaded area of our front yard. This garden bed here at Ginger Valley stays moist most of the time. We only have to water our ginger every now and then, and it rains here a lot anyway here in Rhizome 8B this time of year, YouTube, so we don't have to do very much maintenance here at Pinecone Shampoo ginger, with the exception of pulling a random weed here and there. But yes indeed, YouTube, yes indeed, this is what things are currently looking like at Ginger Valley, right here in our front yard garden extended grow area, Grow Zone 8B, right here in Tifton, Georgia. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
The Wild Wild West. The Wild Wild West. The Wild Wild West. Let me tell you a story about a lion unleashed. Raccoon, the blackest cowboy that you ever seen. You're looking for me, come and find me in the desert heat. Up in the saddle with my head bobbing to the beat. Desert eagle, that's my heater, keep it in the holster. Don't get too close, I might unload with slugs and knock you over. All the natives know this lion, they protect my shoulders. I got Apaches packing both, they hiding in the boulders. Out on the range, a lion roars, so they know my name. Pulling capers with my main man, Jesse James. I'm on and got the U.S. Marshal trying to bring me in, but me and the kid was lying low here at the lion's den. And it don't matter, into battle we roll like the wind, cause we were brothers though we had different color skin. Bullets flying all around, but we had steady hands, and when the dust settled, me and him would still stand. The Wild Wild West. The Wild Wild West. The Wild Wild West. In Tombstone with my friend Doc Holliday, drinking whiskey and cleaning house in a card game. A card shark there at the table with his cracker cheek. I watched the Doc stand him up and knock him off his feet. The next day I found myself out in a different state, making plans to rob a stagecoach with me and Wade. We were riding time and hiding out in the shade, loading gun and sharpening the edges on our knife blades. Along came the stagecoach and it was right on time. Being smart, I knew exactly what was on his mind. He did a stick of dynamite and threw it in the path. When it exploded, made the horses panic and it crashed. We opened up the bike and grabbed the gold and got the